Full throttle, no strike, no model. You're looking for your girlfriend, Trigger Man got her.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right. Well, Trigger Man back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Oh yeah, we still rocking 1,000 subscribers hat week, so that's how we rocking. But yeah, what we have here, Mercedes-Benz, got the quarter panel, rear door, gonna blend into the front door. See, I marked already. Put my arrows where the burns are so I don't forget. Prepper burned me up, he set me up. Let's burn now. I don't know why they trying to set up the old Trigger Man, man. I don't know what's up with that there. But let's see, put my arrow there, let it burn there. Again, that's just something I do, you know, whenever you guys don't prep the vehicles, if somebody prepping them for you, you know, you gotta kind of check that stuff. Because sometimes you get into spraying, you painting, and then you clear it. The only time you really go up there is when you're gonna clear it. And then it'll be like, oh shit, you know what I'm saying? It's too late then. So, you know, if you ain't prepping it, try to go over it as much as you can and spot that stuff. But yeah, man, so today, we're still on the Vevor, man, still on the Vevor gun. I know probably some of you guys sick of seeing it, but I'm enjoying spraying with it. I'm really surprised by it, you know, with at least $10,000 worth of spray guns I got, every model brand, not every, but I got a lot of them, you know, the top dogs. And the gun does just as good, man. And I'm enjoying spraying with it. You know, I ain't really got no riddle and no whole bunch of BS to tell you. You know, I enjoy spraying with it, so I hope you enjoy the show. Gonna be doing wet bed, sealer, base, clear, everything, one gun. You know what I'm saying? The 1.3 is what I got on there, and that's what we're gonna do. So I'm about to go mix up, mass up. Y'all keep it locked, be right back at you. All right, let's get it. 22 PSI for the sealer. 2 turns out from closed. Start with the gun closed, 2 turns out. Those are my settings in this particular job here. If you'd like to achieve similar results, I recommend that you follow the same settings. You dig? Yeah, that's what we doing, man. Now I'm going with my wet bed. Wet bed, really, I'm only gonna do over the blend areas as well as the edges where that sealer laid down. Just give everything an even playing field. You don't want nothing no funky little edges, even though it's really no big deal. But I'm trying to put it down on this one, man. Go ahead, I want to put it down on this one, so I'm going to cover my tracks. Cover my tracks on this one. See, I forgot to seal that primer spot in the back. You see there? Pay attention to something here. Pay attention. It's gonna be a lesson. It's gonna be a lesson here. I forgot to seal that. You see how light that primer is. All right, going with my base. Same 22 PSI. Now watch when I'm basing this here door. Watch how fast this color covers over that sealer. It's pretty much one coat. And for the most part, it's covered. And of course, you're gonna go back over it, second coat, maybe a third, but right there, it's pretty much covered. And then watch when I go back and I hit this light primer spot. See that? I'm just saying that. A few little swipes, boom, that's covered. Now this is why it's good to seal. I'm spraying this here still just transparent. And I just noticed that I didn't seal it when I was painting it right there. I was back to back, just coat after coat after coat, still going. But that's why it's good to put down some sealer that's close to your base. If it's a light silver you're spraying, you know, a light gray sealer. There's the burn through with a prepper burn me. Take the gun, turn it sideways so it's spraying whatever that is, man, horizontal, vertical. I'm gonna just say sideways. Spray it sideways, just like that. Right on that edge, on that body line of that bumper. You won't even see a thing, man. You won't see a thing. It's forgotten about. Horizontal. Yeah, so then I come up here, hit the little burn throughs. Well, burn me up, man. Well, hit me with that Usher Raymond again. Gotta let it burn. When you're on the phone, hang up and you call right back. You got it bad. When you burn the paint, trying to mess Trigger Man right up. But yeah, so this is my final coat, just blending everything out. See my little blend? Blend this out. Blend it out, blend out the quarter. Stay away from that trunk lid. Stay away from that trunk lid. No, don't want no mismatch. Keep everything right along the body line there. Come on down around the bumper. Same thing with this bumper meets that quarter right there. No paint. Don't put no paint up there. Don't want to put no paint. No paint. Same thing on this edge of the bumper. Where that bumper right there meets that left quarter panel. No paint up there. Don't get too, just spray happy and go to spraying the whole panel. No, you don't want to do that. Right, all right. I'm going with my clear. It is Amtech clear we use, product from Pro Spray. There will be a link in the description for this as well. Show you guys how I do this here. Mixing ratio for this is 2-to-1. So what I do, put my clear in, and I go all the way up to the last number, to the 6 on this one here. Amtech, get you some. All right, then I go with a medium, spraying with a medium activator. That's a medium. Hold on. There's a catch now. There's a catch. There's a trick to it. Hold on. Let me see. I'll be trying to click off. That's why you don't learn nothing, man. That's why you don't learn nothing. Stay tuned, man. There's always something going on in here. Now you want to ask me later on, hey, Trigger Man, how you, man, go back and look at all the damn videos. That's how, Hold on. So that's the medium. And I didn't go up all the way with it. Didn't go up all the way. What I do, finish it off with a little bit of slow activator. Instead of you guys want to dump reducer in, and you go to dumping reducer in, getting dye back and all them other issues, slow it down a little bit. Give it something to go ahead and flow out a little. A little bit of slow. A little slow. That's it. A little slow. I tell you guys, become a chemist. Oh yeah, nobody watched that video. Become a chemist. See, use mixing stick. Don't matter. Trigger Man, recycle, man. Save the earth. Recycle. You don't need no brand new paint stick. We get results done, man, no matter how we do it. But yeah, on that video, to become a chemist, so I teach you guys with the clear coat. Like, nobody want to see that stuff, man. They like the antics. They like the YouTube antics. So that's what Trigger gonna start giving to you. Y'all don't want to see the good stuff. But yeah, that other video about become a chemist, I was showing you with the clear, playing with your chemicals, your reducers, your activators. That's the important stuff, man. That's the important stuff. This stuff here, man, you could teach a guy, you could teach a monkey how to do this, man. Give him a paint gun. He pull the trigger and run. Anybody can do this here, man. You gotta know them chemicals, man. The materials. That's where it's at. Put the damn spray gun in the monkey hand. You got a wet paint job, But give him that formula, he won't know what to mix. Monkey reach over and slap you in your damn mouth. But yeah, man, first coat of clear, 30 PSI. You know, those are my two air pressures I keep for this gun. 22 and 30. That's it. Those are the only numbers I know. Those are the only numbers I need on this gun here. I forgot if I hit start on the camera or not, man. I had took the camera off for a second. Like, I didn't want y'all to miss none of that juiciness. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, 22 PSI and 30 PSI. That's the only two numbers that my gauge sees on this gun here. So that's all you need to know. 22 and 30.
Trigger man. Oh, I see you loving that there Vevor gun, huh, again? Boy, I see you got your paint suit on. You got your damn door handles out. Got the mirror off. Yeah, I really ain't got nothing to say on this one here, Trigger man. I ain't got nothing to say, brother. Damn good job, Trigger man. Let's see the finished product, though. That's what's really gonna tell it. You've been nailing these Vevor guns lately. I don't know, man. You're looking damn good, Trigger man. But just for the hell of it, for old time's sakes, come on, guys, say it with me. Unsubscribe.
Yeah, and on this job here, compared to the last couple jobs I did with this gun, you know, spraying a little bit closer this time. Oh yeah, I forgot a burn right there. A little small burn. Hard to see it. But yeah, that was a burn there I forgot to address. But yeah, spraying this time here, I'm just getting in a little bit closer, see if it'll make any difference. So the last 3 or 4 jobs I did with the gun, and I was back a little further. I'd say maybe 6 inches, 7 inches. I'm going in a little closer here, maybe 4 inches. I'm right off the panel. And I just wanted to try that. And again, with the slow activator I'm using, so I want to get in a little more and just nail it on there, and then let that slow kind of kick in and flow out a little bit, give it just a little extra kick. So again, it's just something I'm playing with. You know, I'm still just playing with the gun, trying different things. You know, and that's what you got to do, man. When we say dial in, that's what I mean, dial in. Dial in isn't just 1 turn out, 2 turns out, full fan. That's dialed in. No, dialed in is all your material, your distance, in closer, hardener, slower, faster, reducer. It's all of that, you know. That's dialed in. That's dialed in. Not all that. Hey, how many turns out? How many turns? No, man. This painting game is not that simple, man. Trust me. If you want to be an elite painter, if you want to be like for real, yeah, it ain't no just 2 turns out, 30 PSI. That's it. No. I don't care who tell you anything different. No. That's not it. No. It's all about those materials, man. You're a material handler, you know? And that's what you got to learn to do. Because one come in one bottle and one come in a jug, and this what goes with this. Nah, man, you gotta play with that stuff. You gotta even break some rules. You know what I mean? As long as it's safe and it's nothing crazy to where it backfire and catch fire or nothing. You know what I'm saying? Nothing stupid, but within reason, man. You gotta play with the materials, man. All of the greats, man. When they say tricks of the trade, you know, it's named trick for a reason, you know, not just because somebody just making up a riddle for you. You know what I mean? So that's what it is, man. You got to play with the materials, man. I'm gonna beat it in you guys' head until you get it. Play with the materials. Oh yeah, and by the way, guys, I took these handles out and the mirror off myself. And those of you who watched from the beginning, the channel when I first started, you know, it was a struggle, man, getting these guys to take the handles out. They can't take them out, whatever. I got my own little kit, and I'm just proud of myself, man. This is something I never thought that I could even tackle, you know what I'm saying? So, got the handles out, mirror, no problem. Got it back in. It's like, yeah, man, just, you guys from the beginning, you guys know what I'm talking about, man. Trigger man, can you shoot something for me? Trigger man. Yeah, man, got another one here. Vevor strikes again. Vevor strikes again. That gun is nothing nice. Got two little chips there that I left purposely. Usually I take a little touch-up base before I clear it, but the owner of this here, real diva. You know, she came in, you know, Trigger man, good morning, how are you? I said, oh, good morning, how you doing? Oh, you one of them. So one of them, you get left with two of them. Yeah, man, man, please. Yeah. Hey, but yeah, man, Vevor strikes again. Vevor strikes again. Excellent results, excellent results. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description for the gun, the clear, everything I use. You know, it's an affiliate link, so Trigger Man will get a little small percentage, potato chip money, with no additional cost to you. So if you're interested, if not, all good. Go buy you a $700 Iwata, and you're gonna be looking just like that. You know what I'm saying? That part, yep, you will, you will. With your $700 Iwata, you know what I'm saying? Tell your favorite painter to bring his Iwata to the battle, and Trigger Man will come with the Vevor, and I still eat them up. I eat them up. Trigger Man eat them for breakfast, goddammit. But yeah, man, so that's what it is. I'm gonna let it sit up a little bit, and I'm gonna take it out in the sun. Hopefully ain't no modeling, no striking, no striping, no none of that there. I don't anticipate there is any, but you never know. Small chance, but anyway, catch y'all in the next one, man. What we looking like outside? Full throttle, no strike, no model. Looking for your girlfriend, Trigger Man got her. She said you had too much striping and too much modeling in your paint jobs, man, with them fancy paint guns. She said Trigger Man used a little cheap gun and he still get the job done. He the one. Yeah, man. That's what we doing. Yeah, man. Vevor, get you one, man. Catch y'all in that next one. All right. Thank you guys for watching, man. Hope you enjoyed the show. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Please subscribe, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out none of this good sauce. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and please tell his girlfriend.